Hi guys, this is Crafty Cat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. We are here with a brand new unboxing and unbagging video for the channel. This came in the mail today. I'm super excited. It doesn't say where it's from, so I think I know what this might be though. So let's open it up. I'm so excited, especially if this is what I think it is. Should have used my scissors, huh? Oh, this is what I thought it was. I'm so excited. Can you see? This is a PR package from Vipcrossstitch. I am so excited. So this new to me company reached out to me in my email a few weeks ago, and they asked if I'd like to do a collaboration with them where I do an unboxing for the channel and they would send me some products to unbox. And not only that, you guys, they give me a 7% discount code called Crafty07. So that's capital C for the Crafty and the letters 07. And if you want to order from them, you will get 7% off on your order. Isn't that amazing? They're so nice. I'm so excited to open this. Now, I have to decide whether to show you all of these at once or to do one at a time. I have never unbagged a cross stitch before. There are 3 things in here. So, I think what we'll do is we'll look at all 3 of them briefly. I'll tell you a little bit about the store, and then I'll go into more depth one at a time. I'm not sure what would really be best. But anyway, yeah, let's just grab the first one, shall we? Or maybe I should just do one at a time. I don't know. But I want to kind of show you how generous they were. So let's just look at them one at a time for now, and then we'll go into more detail. Yeah, I think that's the best thing to do, because the company was so nice to send me this. I want to do right by them and show off their product. And look how cute that is. That is adorable. Now, I had my choice of what to choose from their whole website. And when I saw this, I had to have this. If you know me or me from my channel, basically, I love animals. I love hamsters and mice. And I just thought this was adorable. So this is an 11 count cross stitch. Yeah. So anyway, I will go into more detail, but this is 30 by 30 and it's ecology cotton floss. Okay. So this, again, it's from the Vipcrossstitch website, and I will put links down below for you guys, so you can go check out their website. You can check all of that good stuff out. All right, hang on. So that's the first one that they sent me. So yeah, this will be the overview video. Oh my gosh! Look at this one! Look how cute that is. All right, so I had to get this one because A, it's adorable. B, there's a bike and a cat. I love bike riding and I love cats, and my name is Crafty Cat, and look how cute these little kids are. They're adorable. So this is called Our Love. It's item K511, and it is 26 by 26 centimeters. Now this one is 14 count, which I believe means the holes are a little bit smaller, but this was, they have a listing for beginners, and this was in that listing, so that's why I got it. Now, I will take you over to the website after I show you these and show you what I'm talking about. All right, so, yeah. So we will go into these in more detail, but they're really, really beautifully packaged. I wish diamond paintings came packaged like this, and that they would send them flat like this. That would be so much nicer. Don't you think? I wonder why they can't do that with diamond paintings. Maybe because they're bigger? I don't know. So anyway, that is item number 2, and how adorable are they? And here is the last one that I chose. And look how beautiful this is. This is like where I want to live. I've got the bike, the cabin, the lake, and the dog. Now, and look, the geese and oh, I love this so much. This is so beautiful. Now, I don't see anywhere where it says how big this is, but we will check this out when we open it up. But isn't that gorgeous? That is so beautiful, and I literally want to go live here. Now, I have always had dogs. Poodles are the only dogs that I can have that don't make me sick with my allergies and asthma. So the only difference for me was this would have to be a poodle, but you know what? My poodle looked exactly like that after he had his hair shaved every summer, because I would shave him right down for summer because he loved swimming. So yeah, this is adorable. I love this so much. So I got the one landscapey kind of one that I typically am drawn to, and the two cartoony ones that I am also very drawn to. And I will probably do this one first, because it looks like the easiest one with the least amount of stitching. And it's 11 count. This is 14 count. And I can't remember what count this one was, but when I do the unboxing of them individually, I'll go into all of that. So it looks like these two are from one company with the blue design on the top, and this is from the red one. But like I said, we'll go into that in a little bit. So right now, you guys, I'm going to take you to the website. So we're just going to move over to my computer to do the website thing, and then we'll come back here for the goodbye. Hi guys, this is me, Crafty Cat. I am just breaking into the regular video to show you what the website for Vipcrossstitch looks like. So here you can see the web address, and I will put it at the bottom of my video so you can check yourself. So this is the company that reached out to me to offer me to do a PR unboxing, and I was really excited. Right now they're having an Easter sale where you get 7% off. If you do want to order from them and you miss the Easter sale, don't worry, because you can use Crafty07 to get 7% off. So if you're not able to order now and you're worried about missing the sale, don't worry about it. So they have lots of beautiful things, and they're a really nice website. They have things organized by collections, new arrivals, really good prices too. You can see everything here. They have tools, cross-stitch tools. They have like little sewing boxes and needle threading tools. They have all kinds of things, magnets. Then they break them down into characters. They have Christmas stuff. You can do your own kind of thing, where you're customizing your own picture. They have large sizes, like really large sizes. They have they've got keychains and pillows and bookmarks. If you like gnomes, there's lots of gnomes. If you're like me and you like cats and animals, dolls, Halloween, just a lot of things. And then at the bottom, they have a buyer's showcase where people show their finished products, which is really cool. And there's a little arrow where you can kind of arrow over and see what the latest ones are. There's some finished bookmarks, some cactus. This one's really beautiful with the whales. And you can subscribe to their newsletter. And then they have some reviews at the very bottom. So you can go through and read the reviews. You can try to find one that you're interested in. Like, I really like this one. So if I click on it, it tells me which one it is and how much it cost. So that's really pretty. I like bridges, so if I were interested in this one. And they have promotions. Buy 4, get 1 free. Buy 12, get 3 free. So this one would have been $24.97. It's 70 by 55 centimeters, which is not something I could do right now because I'm a beginner. So if you're a beginner like me and you're thinking, oh gosh, that's too hard, which is exactly what I thought, you can go across right under large size. Large size can mean large size canvas, but it also can mean bigger holes. And then it says beginner, and you click on beginner. And that's exactly what I did to find what I should do. So I chose 2 from the beginner one. I chose this one, which is the stamped cross-stitch girl, which we looked at together. That's right here, the girl and the boy and the mouth. So it tells you that was $5.47, and we did this together. And I have the mouse is another one that I ordered. And this one was not in the beginner section. This one was in the 11 count section, and this is too advanced for me. But I thought it was so beautiful. I thought, you know what? I'm going to order it. When will I get a chance to get this again? And I wanted it. I thought it was really beautiful. And it was something different from the other two that I ordered. But anyway, if you stay on the beginners one, it shows you all the ones that are good for beginners in their view. And there's a lot of really beautiful ones. I really almost got this one, but I saw it was 14 count, and I thought maybe 11 count would be easier. And there's this adorable little owl, but he's also 14 count. And then like there's other owls. So sometimes when you click on them, you get more than just the first one. You know, there's more in there. So I accidentally clicked on that owl, by the way. But these are beautiful. Can you imagine if you have anyone in the family that's having new babies? Wouldn't these be gorgeous? And they're nursery, and these are for beginners, and they're 11 count, and they're not that big. They're only 30 by 30. So we have the sleeping star with the roses and the sleeping moon. And I just found out that my friend's daughter is pregnant, but we don't know if it's a boy or a girl yet. Not that it matters, but these would have been really good gifts. But I can't make gifts for everyone who gets pregnant because there's so many young pregnant people around me right now. I would be crocheting and needle pointing, or not needle pointing, but what is cross stitching and diamond painting for like years and years to catch up. But anyway, here's the little mouse that I ordered. But look how cute this one is. And this one. So these are all the beginner ones. Now this was in the beginner section. But I think I got the one, I thought I got the 11 count one. So I don't know. I should have probably got this one because it's a Joy Sunday one. I do like the Joy Sunday brand. So the one I got wasn't this one. Because this is by Joy Sunday. And it's 30 by 21 centimeters and it's $6.91. And the one I got it's the 11 count. And it's 50 by 40. So it's a bigger canvas. So I thought it would show up better on a bigger canvas than a smaller one, you know? But you have your choice. You can get this one instead. Let's click on it. So this is a different style than the other one. This is more of a cartoony style. So maybe I should have got this one as a beginner. I don't know. And let's go down here and see if anyone has reviewed this one. I don't think there's any reviews. No, there's no reviews on that one. But anyway, there's free shipping over $50. And here I have it set to Canadian because I'm Canadian. But you could set the prices to US if you're US. You could set the prices to Euro or United Kingdom, New Zealand, Polish, Australian. They have all these different countries. You can change your language to a different language if you need to. And then they have a discounted product section where they have things that are on sale. And they just have a lot of really beautiful items, you guys. They have DIY crafts, so if you're interested in doing a bookmark, they have all these really cute bookmarks. I really like these ones with the dragonfly and the butterfly. I almost got bookmarks. I just want to show you these because they're so cute. Because I thought a bookmark would be something faster that I could do. Here's the kitty cats I almost got. And I love this one, Hermione saying, honestly, don't you two read? I think that's adorable. I love Harry Potter. I love all things Harry Potter. Yeah. And they have the below whatever price, so you could go below $3.99 and see what it is. And I'm in USD right now. So this is below $3.99 USD. So these are like the really lower price ones that you could get. And there's some really cute ones. Like, look at this pig. And some keychains. Now, this is bead embroidery. This is something different. Look at the sleeping bear. This is adorable. So yeah, you guys, I had such a hard time picking what to choose. I'm really happy with the items I picked. I really am. I wanted to get a cross section. I wanted to get two things that I could do as a beginner, and then one thing that someone more advanced might be interested in. Like, this is out of my range, but I thought to showcase the company because they're being really nice and they're giving me a PR package. I can't just get beginner things. So I got this one as well. But I'm really happy with it. So now we're going to head back to the regularly scheduled video. Okay? All right, guys, so wasn't that cool? Like, that is so amazing. I am so happy. Vipcrossstitch, thank you so much. All right, guys, and don't forget, I will be coming back for individual unboxings for each of these where we look at them in depth. I hope you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button, hit the subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let me know which one is your favorite. The little kids with the bike and the cat, the little mouse with the dandelion making a wish, or the landscape one with the beautiful cottage and the bike. All right, so most importantly of all, take care, stay safe, and happy crafting. Bye, guys.